Are y'all ready for this warm start? Hopefully you are, because here it comes. Pretty fucking loud, right? Anywho, we got some nice back roads to cruise on late at night for this pure V drive of the 7th generation Honda Accord. Don't mind the Android 10. Oh fuck, I'm turning the wrong way. Oh well, we're gonna turn around. Fuck it, bud. And don't worry, we're not doing just some NPC driving tonight, because we got 6 cylinders firing with VTEC. I'm gonna show you guys what that sounds like. Now, some people may already be thinking like, okay, well, JC Motor, what the fuck happened to the twin turbo V8 Accord that you had? Was it fake? You didn't have really a V10. I did, but if you see my recent video, I blew it up. So, oh, it's just an NPC. All right. Oh, a little slippage right there. These tires are not the best. Sometimes I be slipping at like fucking 40 miles per hour. The other night, my VTEC wasn't kicking as hard. I think I just had to change the fluid. So I changed the VTEC fluid the other night, or the other week. I don't fucking know how I'm gonna go. And now VTEC be pulling. I need y'all to have a debate in the comments right now, like for real. Does VTEC whine? Let me know. Do you think VTEC whines? Because when I'm accelerating, I definitely hear that VTEC whine, but my friend claims that VTEC don't whine, only superchargers and turbos whine. And I disagree, because VTEC is still forced induction, and it's forcing in more air and gasoline into the engine, so why wouldn't it be whining? Of course, it's not going to be as loud as a supercharger or some shit from a Hellcat. But in the cabin, I definitely hear a little, you know, when I'm accelerating. Sorry, I just had to go demon timing just for a second, you know. Seeing a turn like that in an empty road, like, it's pretty hard not to, you know. I'm sure you've been eyeballing the screen for a minute now, thinking like, ooh, how do I get that in my 7th generation Accord? And what kind of features does it have? Does it have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto? Yes, it has some pretty nice features. And if you want to see the full video showing off this touchscreen and showing where you can buy it, watch this video on screen right now.